in on that front as well. Sanjay, I'll come to you in just a moment. As per our sources, we're now being told leaders, in fact, of Eknath Shinde's party have said that Eknath Shinde wanted to be chief minister. Eknath Shinde's faction states that if he is not made the CM, then at least he should be given the home ministry along with the post of deputy chief minister, and the post of assembly speaker should also be given to his party faction. But the BJP has declined, stating that neither will be given the home ministry nor will he get the post of assembly speaker. BJP will keep both the posts with itself. So this is of course the next big battle before the Mahayuti. Sanjay, what more are we learning?
देखिए, सभी जितने भी एकनाथ शिंदे की पार्टी के जितने भी नेता हैं, जितने कार्यकर्ता हैं, पहले तो सभी चाहते थे कि एकनाथ शिंदे मुख्यमंत्री बने। लेकिन अगर एकनाथ शिंदे को मुख्यमंत्री सीएम नहीं बनाया जा रहा है तो उनका यही कहना था कि जिस तरह से एकनाथ शिंदे ने पिछली बार सीएम बन करके गृह मंत्रालय का पद, होम मिनिस्ट्री का पद जिस तरह से डिप्टी सीएम देवेंद्र फडणवीस के लिए छोड़ा था, उसी तरह से बड़ा दिल दिखाते हुए बीजेपी को भी अपना बड़प्पन दिखाना चाहिए और होम मिनिस्ट्री और डिप्टी सीएम दोनों एकनाथ शिंदे को देना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो सिटिंग सीएम रहे हैं। सिटिंग सीएम रहते हुए इतनी बड़ी सफलता महायुति को मिली है, महायुति की फिर से सरकार बनी है, इस पे एकनाथ शिंदे की अहम भूमिका रही है। एकनाथ शिंदे का योगदान भूलना नहीं चाहिए और उनको गृह मंत्रालय का पद देना चाहिए। भरोसा करना चाहिए बीजेपी को, जिस तरह से एकनाथ शिंदे ने भरोसा किया था बीजेपी पर और उनको गृह मंत्रालय का पद दिया था। तो इस बार बारी बीजेपी की है कि बीजेपी एकनाथ शिंदे पर अपना भरोसा जताए। तो इस बात को लेकर के कहीं ना कहीं रार है बीजेपी और एकनाथ शिंदे में, अभी भी इसको लेकर के तकरार है। लेकिन देखना होगा क्या मामला सुलझ गया है, क्योंकि ये कहा जा रहा है कि आज भी एकनाथ शिंदे की अमित शाह से बात हुई है, उसके बाद ही वो हॉस्पिटल से निकल के सीएम हाउस में आए हैं, मुख्यमंत्री आवास में पहुंचे हैं, वर्षा में पहुंचे। उसके बाद क्या उनकी देवेंद्र फडणवीस से मुलाकात होगी, महायुति की कोई बैठक होगी या मंत्रालय को लेकर के चर्चा होगी, ये देखना होगा। सभी की निगाह इनकी बैठकों पर लगी हुई है।
ओके, वरुण सिंह, Eknath Shinde's faction then at least demanding some very prominent and pertinent posts within the next cabinet. Is that going to be a little bit of a troubling factor for the BJP to iron out some of these differences?
I did say about it that they want home ministry, and that is one point where there is a small tussle. But apart from that, one question that you asked, Raj Lakshmi, I would like to answer that. Why there is a delay? Let me tell you, there isn't a delay. If you see the history of Maharashtra politics, it has taken that much of time. In 1995, the results were announced on March 13, 1995. The oath-taking ceremony happened a month later on April 14. Similarly, if you see the last few elections, it has been there that 10, 15, 20 days have taken. Even in the last 2019 assembly election, the results were announced on October 24th, 2020. And you know, the oath ceremony took place on 28th of November, almost 1 month, 4 days. So it has been there. इतना टाइम लेते ही हैं महाराष्ट्र में, and as Raj Lakshmi rightly pointed out that BJP follows a simple protocol. In 2014 also they held a meeting in the Vidhan Bhavan. As a journalist, I was also present over there, where Eknath Khadse was the, you know, there was a camp of Eknath Khadse leader who were upset in spite of being friends with Devendra Fadnavis, because Devendra Fadnavis' name was being announced and they were expecting that Khadse, being a senior, his name should be announced. All these things do happen in politics, but there is a decision, there is a process that is followed, and this is the process, and the process takes some time. I wouldn't deny that there are rifts related to ministry, and those ministries are home, and that is one big reason, one big concern that Eknath Shinde has been trying to say that, boss, give me some important ministry so that it doesn't look like I'm just bowing down to entire pressure from the BJP. But I'm sure instead of home, some other ministry, important portfolio would be given to the deputy chief minister. He will get the urban development department, which is the richest municipal corporations of the country, of Asia. BMC will be part of it. There would be many other municipal corporations. There are multiple decisions that UD take. PWD could be given to him. There are many things that would be given to the Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde and his ministry. He will have more ministers than Ajit Pawar, that is for sure. And he will be also, he's an able administrator. He has proven that in the last so many days and so many years of handling ministries and being the Chief Minister. The rift, I say, is very small for the impact to be on the government and its stability. The rift is pretty small that people who are imagining that the government will collapse or Eknath Shinde will stay out of the government, these are baseless, because Eknath Shinde cannot afford to be out of government. He would know that his party members would, elected MLAs wouldn't stay back, and he knows the reasons and the fears that surrounds if he stays out of the government. So he wouldn't take such a foolish decision. He will be part of the government. Ajit Pawar is already part of the government. The oath taking ceremony will happen on 5th of December. And tomorrow by noon, as I said, it will be known when all the three leaders would go meet the governor and would hand over their letter of majorities taking claim on the government.
Okay, all right. Raj Lakshmi Joshi, your perspective on this as well. It's obviously more important for an Eknath Shinde to be a part of the next government rather than him perhaps sulking about not being made chief minister once again. He has been placing this point that, listen, the elections were fought on my face. You decided to make me chief minister, but of course circumstances were very different 2.5 years back. The BJP was in a majorly desperate position at that point in time. However, the BJP has also proven itself this time around with the sheer number that they've got in the elections.
Devika, this is a very interesting situation considering that the BJP has an overwhelming number. They're just a few numbers short of the majority, of a clear majority, because they did not contest so many seats. Now, they can easily form a government with Mr. Ajit Pawar, and I think Mr. Shinde will definitely not have any say in this. So definitely, he cannot actually in any way put any kind of pressure on the current BJP right now. So he is not in a position to actually have any say right now, very frankly, because the numbers of the BJP are such that they cannot be blackmailed. Even in the past, when the BJP was dependent on the Shiv Sena for forming a government, even at that time they did not bow down to any pressure. So you can imagine that definitely this time around, he knows that he cannot put that kind of a pressure. So he has no other choice but to say that, yes, I will go as per whatever PM Modi and Amit Shah ji says, and the BJP, the chiefs, they say. So, they definitely have a lot more control, because even Mr. Ajit Pawar also has a very good number. So easily they can form a government. So for him, it will be a wiser decision if he stays in the government, because then he has some ministries on hand, definitely some very important ministries, as Varun very rightly pointed out. And also, we are looking at a few municipal corporation elections also coming up. So all of that also is a very big, huge chunk, especially the BMC elections and the TMC elections coming up. So that also, he can maybe play a major role in that. And definitely, there are a lot more things to do in the days ahead. So he would definitely not opt to stay out of power, is what I feel. And also, he will definitely not give away the role of the deputy chief minister to anyone else within his own party, nor will he make his son the deputy chief minister. But whatever my instincts say is that he will definitely choose to be the post of the to be the deputy chief minister.
Okay.
And be in the government, and maybe get some important ministries. Okay. So that makes more sense to him.
Okay, do I have a reporter with us on the broadcast? Is Sanjay with us?